that side. You don't know where you're stuck.
Zola! Come, man. Colombo Buena says, why are you sitting where the customer is?
Only a South African guy can continue.
Zola!
Well, I was plugging to
Okay, call them. I'm here. I'm waiting for us. Yo, this is your boss, this one. Listen.
Put. Try to put.
Sorry. My phone, sir.
the phone is dead.
Listen, Chief. Listen.
Yeah, the others are sitting. They don't want people to come out.
And they will never continue. You can't continue. When one doesn't hey, don't mix it up, camera. When one buy cheese.
South Africa.
When one buy cheese,
Are you South African?
I see South African.
So why? Are you South African?
How is South African perform for 7? Oh, I not South African chiefs. Can put your boss, your police, whatever. Listen, we want to sit there and forget. We want to show that for now.
Because we have
No,
never
just
given
because
us
you don't want to listen to us.
We are talking.
You know that we don't want to listen to us. That's a problem.
We said, wait. We say, wait.
This is not the right message. The customers are waiting.
Wait, we said that
Don't put these people in trouble.
they'll work, but tomorrow once South Africans here. That's what we
Okay,
said.
that's what I'm saying. I hear what you said. But did you give us a chance? You walked up now, even putting us on a bad foot. You have never given us a chance to say, we're giving you a deadline or anything. You are stopping our operation just like that. You don't even know you're not coming or whatever.
We are telling you, go to social media and find us. Okay, listen. What time was going to suitable for you? What a period of time?
Leicester, I'm telling you for the last time, going for this.
No, don't say that.
Talk to us first. They will never go there until we allow them.
Come to an agreement with us. Let them go.
We're making an arrangement, you make it.
Yeah.
He didn't say that loud. That's what I'm saying.
That's what you are saying. But you won't shout people in front of us.
No, it's not the right thing. Shout them. That's why they lie.
No, you don't do that.
No, sister, what I'm saying is,
no, you don't do that.
You're not shouting.
When you are shouting people out,
but you're
how
coming
can
to
you do that?
trouble them, uncle, but you
We are
say
not troubling
Come with
them.
the trouble here.
We're not troubling them. You are the one who
You are the one who caused this nonsense here.
look, we can't let our forecourt be full and they are standing. These guys are going to
No, it doesn't matter for us. We need South African to be employed.
They are employed. But they are employed in the wrong place. In the wrong place.
Baba Nyapile.
Yes,
In the
Example
wrong
for the
place.
clarity. Ngomezulu baba. National convener desk. Baba Mkabayi. Yes. Sisithobo no. Desk. Yes. So besiyithatha control lesizana. Masifika wonke umuntu osevayo. Kuphume malawo. Then siyabuza ke kuwena baba Mkabayi ukuthi kusemthethweni lo. Be honest. Akhulumeke la usistopile ukuthi sicela baqasha amazinga futhi ukuthi sistop igarage bebhizi ukuthi bazama ukuthi basinikeza le yakho ayikho ipermit ethozo sebenza egarage uma kuqoshwa uthisha kuqoshwa nesi kuqoshwa yonke into bese kuzoba nepermit yasegarage
And wait for your police to come.
ayikho thina was immigration, we are working with SAPS, we are working with all the stakeholders. We are working with, even if we can go now to social media and tell them that we'll find this ways. We are working with all the stakeholders that are responsible. That's why we pass here to Port Petrol. I'm from KZN, where I'm coming from. But because of our working in South Africa, we never do. It's not the only place where we are from the other all places that employ foreigners. That's what they
Uyabona mntana sekhaya sithi thina asifuni lento ukuthi kusebenza abantu bokuhamba la sikhona sima South Africans singasebenzi la kusebenza abantu bokuhamba sithi ke thina
Almost 7 of them.
sithi ke thina akuqashwa ngani abantu bala abantu base-South Africa sinabantu abaningi namhlanje abaphendula igebengu yosabana msebenzi kulanda abantu bangaphandle basebenza basibafusi bakasesahotel
Okay, we'll be here. Yes, we'll be here at 10 o'clock tomorrow. Let me confirm it first. Hey, for the second purpose, no, my son, I don't want to be a loser, son, I have a